happy with your placements?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely happy.
Okay, fine. So whether CMTI is providing you lots of opportunities, Sarvesh?
Yes, ma'am. Lots of opportunities are there. As coming to mainly the construction industry, I think this is one of the best institution I have with such a contacts I have ever seen. So I recommend who is those are freshers. I recommend these such institutions to join and gain more knowledge and become the skillful in the industries.
Hi, Sarvesh.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very.
Okay. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Sarvesh. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, Sarvesh, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Sarvesh Kulkarni. I'm basically from Athani, called in Belgavi district from Karnataka only. I've completed my engineering in MVJ College of Engineering from Bangalore. From there, I have started working in the site in. Then I have thought I need to introduce some. I need to get some more knowledge about the civil engineering. So I joined the CMTI. Uh,
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Sarvesh?
CMTI I got from actually from the my friend actually who had joined the CMTI. Actually, he got placed
Okay.
in design cafe. So I thought this will be more useful for me to get in MNC companies to help my future.
Okay. So coming to your syllabus part and all, Sarvesh, what and all you learned in the CACM training?
In CACM, I learned mainly about the sequence of construction, methodology, how the construction is executed in the site. And coming to the software related, there will be a quantity surveying and MS project mainly, bar bending schedule. And coming to interiors, it will be more about AutoCAD's SketchUp. That's all the syllabus will be in CACM.
Okay, fine. So what about your site training and all? Like how many site visits you have visited during this training?
Right now, we visited mainly BGRT that is in green building construction. We get to know about more about green buildings. Then we visited HMG stones, more about the marbles and granite. That was a very site visit I have ever visited. Then Victoria Hospital for site training and RMC Construction Ultratech. And today we visited Karnataka Hardware's about
Okay.
Karnataka Hardware's.
So yeah. So this is like you were visiting the site, you were attending the class, plus you were attending the interviews also, right?
Yes, both of them.
Okay, fine. So what about your software training and all, Sarvesh? Can you tell me about that?
Software training was actually very good. I mainly thank Pandey sir and Santosh sir for the AutoCAD and SketchUp. They were absolutely very good for us. They taught from the scratch. Yeah, I would like to thank both of them.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So can you tell me about your confidence level, Sarvesh, before joining CMT and after joining CMTI?
About confidence, actually, I didn't have much confidence that in the site. I used to attend interviews, but I didn't have much confidence in site about how the project are executed, about the drawings and all. After joining the CMDI, I got to know about. I mainly thank Natarajan sir. So how he taught us for the reading of drawings, how the construction is executed, uh, how the industries work mainly, on what basis they are work. Yeah, that was the confidence level is now absolutely very fine for I can attend any interviews. No issues with that.
So you can crack the interviews easily.
Yes, ma'am, more confidence about the interviews.
Okay, okay, fine. So, Sarvesh, tell me about Ashok sir, Sarvesh. So, how was his motivation and interview guidance and all? Can you tell me some few lines about him?
Yes, Ashok sir is actually a very good and a very humble person as I ever know. He taught mainly he used to take the classes for the career growth that helped for us mainly how he worked in industries, how industries behave, his experience and all mainly. And he supported during the interview how the companies ask questions, on what basis they ask questions. His guidance was very important for us.
Okay, fine. So, what about your HR support and all? How was?
So I have the I had the confidence that somehow somewhere in industry I'll be there with the contacts of such contacts he is having. I think that confidence I had.
Okay, got it. So, what about the staffs of CMTI and all, Sarvesh? How was their coordination?
Staff were very friendly with us. I would like to thank all the staffs for helping in each and every activity for us, like attendance for the and the presentations and all. Uh, they help in actually that mandatory classes. We need to sit and listen to those trainers who were came from that far. So I'd like to thank all of them.
Okay, fine. So, Sarvesh, what do you want to tell to your friends and juniors?
I would like to give only one suggestion, like be preparing for any of the like interview as coming to CMJ. Be prepared for the any interviews. Don't fear. I would like first interview. It's okay if they any rejected. It's okay. Keep growing and wish you the all the best for the every junior.
I hope you're. Thank you, Sarvesh. Thank you so much for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future. And
Thank you.
just be connected with CMTI and
Okay.
like all the best for your future, Sarvesh. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.